Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Loving that beautiful mid-length haircut for the first transformation, and then we move into look number 2. So the stylist is doing some bangs in the front with this one. Oh wow, beautiful pixie haircut. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. The stylist did an amazing job. Then we have someone with long hair and them showing us how their hair looks short. So beautiful. So it looks like the next haircut is also going to feature some bangs. Oh wow, it looks like they're doing like a mixie style, like a baby mullet. Very in. Gorgeous bangs. And then we move on to the next one. So she starts off with a bob. Looks like she's going to be giving herself some bangs. I love her hair color too. So pretty. So it looks like she gave herself some face framing curtain bangs with fringe bangs as well. Gorgeous. Then we see someone with long green hair. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these haircut ideas, please be sure to give today's video a thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like she decided to color her hair after cutting it. Oh wow, gorgeous silver pixie cut. She looks amazing. Loving this transformation. She looks gorgeous. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.